Fuck is this? Forsen ending safe apparently. Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. Fortunately, Don says this video is safe.
This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and today I'm going to show you a machine that many people assume is found only in movies, when in fact it's actually a relatively common tool.
Show hidden frame, secret ending. How did I not see that the first time? The fuck? FPS. No, I think I must have looked away at the other monitor or something.
Among professional safe crackers. This is the ITL 2000 automatic safe dialer. These machines cost thousands of dollars, so a special thanks to Michael at Sparrow's Lockpicks for lending it out to me. The setup is fairly simple. We have a magnetic base to hold the dialer to the safe door, a chuck to hold onto the dial, a fairly large stepper motor to do the dialing, and of course the brains of the operation are in the control box.
Due to me editing the meme video I sent yesterday, I had pictures of Nina on my desktop. My girlfriend came into my room and saw them, asking me who that girl is. It was too hard to explain, so I told her it is a secret. Now she thinks that I am cheating.
Alright, well, it's not that hard to explain, is it? Oh, it's this fucking streamer's girlfriend. I'm making a meme video. I mean, if she's dating you, she already knows you're autistic, right? So it's not that far of a leap.
I believe the newer ones operate off a Bluetooth tablet. Setup is simple. A skilled person could assemble this dialer, attach it to the safe door, and align the innards of the lock with the dialer in somewhere in the neighborhood of 10 minutes. I've already skipped the boring part, so I'm just going to hit the dial button and let you see this in operation for a few minutes.
It's brute forcing it. Oh, why is it jumping 2 steps at a time though? Look at the numbers. Huh? Why is it restarting now? If it's not gonna do uneven numbers.
Okay, let's pause that for a moment. Fortunately for all of us, these machines are not nearly as fast as the movies would lead us to believe. Depending on various factors, it could take as long as 30 hours, though I'm told the average time is closer to 8 hours. Since I'm not going to make an 8-hour video, we're going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to let the dialer know the first two numbers of the combination and let it figure out the third. That way you get to see an open. That first number is 63.
Okay, I get it. I understand now what you mean. But I still don't understand why it's only doing uneven, or sorry, even numbers. It changed the number in before it. Okay, well now, alright.
How do I tell my parents and girlfriend I spent $3,400 on GameStop in 19 years old and am also about to lose my job? Feels the man.
If that clunk wasn't enough of a clue, the machine is telling us dialing complete. Let's check to make sure this actually opens.
It's good to get burned.
Indeed, it does.
Early.
If I push the combo button, the machine will tell me the combination is 63,
it's
19,
worse to get burned later.
Now, because I don't discuss safe manipulation much, I should note that someone skilled at manipulation could open a lock like this in a fraction of the time of this dialer. It's a skill that requires some time to master, and when I was first learning, I was cutting my teeth on high-end S&G locks like this one in here, and that made for some frustration. But it turns out that Sparrows recently came out with a manipulation learning kit. It comes with a fairly standard safe lock, and on the inside, we have 3 extra lever arms that allow you to make it progressive.
You're not tell your girlfriend shit. You're 19. What do you mean?
Harder. In addition, this tool allows you to change the combination after every time you manipulate. They just sent this over to me, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to play with it, but I definitely think it's something I would have appreciated back when I was learning. I may show it again in the future after I've spent some time with it. But that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe.
Don't like this. I feel like modern ones, they have some sort of, you know, what do you call that when you enter the wrong pin too many times? Like it locks itself, you know what I mean? Failsafe. I was thinking failsafe, but I wasn't sure that failsafe is the correct word. That's like what you use after it's already locked itself, no? Is it failsafe? I'm not sure. Because it's not. Yeah, I don't think it's failsafe. And also most have combinations like this nowadays, no? This is kind of like old-fashioned. Like just having one of these is kind of old-fashioned. Because...
And as always...
money is fucking... numbers on the internet nowadays.
Don't smash it.
You don't keep it in a safe. But you do keep some other valuables maybe. But mostly probably sentimental stuff, maybe. Not really. I don't know. I don't know what you would keep in a safe. Gun maybe, if you have if you're American and you have kids in the house. Gold. Yeah, but gold you also can buy virtually, right? You don't actually have to have it at your home physically. You can invest in gold without having the actual fucking bars in your fucking house. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, but it's cool to have them. I guess it's cool to have them locked away in the lock. Your buddy comes over, you're like, hey, check this out. Got gold bars in my safe.